Welcome back. Some manufacturing firms made profits in the third quarter. This despite input costs in the sector, which are generally reported to be on the rise. Now, the latest Manufacturing Circle's quarterly review says another positive for the sector was an uptick in the number of jobs created.
The relatively weaker rand brought about mixed fortunes in the manufacturing sector in the third quarter. But for exporters, it's definitely been a boon.
I think in the third quarter we see some manufacturers using low rand value to expand their markets. They are definitely beneficiaries of weak rand, and we see it at long last coming through. But also there are those who are very import dependent, and lower exchange rate effectively means higher cost of production for them, and they suffer. So it's a bit of a mixed blessings.
For several years, employment prospects in the sector have been subdued, but third quarter data saw a rise in jobs.
Our manufacturers who are catering for the global market, their export is expanding, and there is this quarter a healthy dose of expansion in those industries, and they definitely are the source of expanding their employment. And the more they expand their production for the export market, the more people they employ in the short term.
But looking at the longer term, Aberdeen says South Africa needs to reconfigure the manufacturing sector with particular emphasis on exporting beneficiated products and pushing into the African market.
South Africa is well placed to capture that opportunity. Therefore, we need to stop talking about beneficiation in a loose way, and we need to sit around the table, government and the private sector, look at the specific opportunities that's emerging in the global economy, and begin to position our industries to capture that market.
75% of the manufacturing businesses surveyed said that water was an important component in their production processes, although supply of it had not yet become a critical issue. The industry is, however, said to be concerned about water security and its apparent increasing cost. Nompamelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.